Okay, some people wanted to know how to do this ice cream question, so I'm just going to help you with this. So basically you need a right angle triangle. To do any kind of trigonometry, you need to find a right angle triangle. Well, if we just draw, you know, across basically the ice cream and we bring that back down like that, so there's our triangle. That's not a right angle triangle. So what you have to do, and because we want radius, and radius is only halfway across, right? Radius is half across a circle. So if you have circle and you have the diameter and then halfway across is the radius, then your R is halfway across. That means that I can, let's see if I can make a color. I can bring this line down and make a right angle triangle there. So that's the biggest trick with this, is figuring out how to draw the triangle, right? And so what I've done is over here, I've kind of taken it out of the ice cream, and here's my triangle, and here's my right angle. Now, this whole thing here is 30 degrees, which means that the little angle inside will cut in half and say that's 15 degrees because it's symmetry. I mean, you've got a symmetrical cone and you can cut it in half and you'll be okay to make that 15 degrees. So that means that R, what we're trying to find the radius so we can have that R, is basically our opposite side, and 11.5 is our H. So then what we do is we take sine, because it's O and H, sine of not the 30 degrees, but 15 degrees is equal to O over H. So sine of 15 degrees is equal to O, which we don't know, that's kind of our R, over H, which is 11.5. So we stick that over 1, and we do the cross multiplying, and R is equal to that diagonal sine of 15 degrees times 11.5. So let's see what that is. If we do the calculator, and I need to redo my setup here, sorry, just bear with. Degrees, okay. So it's sine of 15 degrees, 15 times 11.5. 2.97641. So I'm going to round that off so that R is 2.98 to 22 dp. Now, once you've got R, right? So if I've got R is now 2.98 centimeters, right? Then to figure out what they want us to, the formula for the volume is this, and use the appropriate volume of the scope given the following information. So we want to find volume. So now we just use the volume formula, which is 4/3 times, and they want us to use 3.14 times 2.98 cubed. And then you just have to stick that in your calculator to get the right answer, really. So you just go 4/3, so on your calculator, 4 divided by 3 times the 3.14, and then times the 2.98 to the power of 3. And you'll get 110 centimeters cubed because it's volume. All right, so that's basically it.